One of the benefits that I receive for being here during markets open hours is that all of our Melrose sales reps come in and they have years and years of industry experience behind them, and they tend to talk to me about things that are a little bit different than the designers do. The designers talk to me about the aesthetics of a product. Well, salespeople will look at a table like this one behind me and they see this nice focal point, which are the planters that we have here with the botanicals. They draw the attention over, and the designers are going to talk about that. Wow, we see that right away. But the sales reps are going to come in here and look at this table and they're going to see something totally different. Do you see it as a store owner? So what they're looking for is the small items on this table in particular that make a big impact. So Melrose has gone out this season, and this season really more than other seasons in the past, and they have looked for small items that make a big impact for retailers, whether that's going to be candle holders, vases, these birds here with a lot of detailing on them up here at the front, pieces that are going to be easy for retailers to pick up and bring into your store as inventory. They're going to turn a little bit quicker based on price. And so if we have excellent price points, something that's in that economy grade, we're going to have something that's in that mid grade, and then we're going to have some smaller pieces that are in that luxury grade, that higher priced item. And so product development this year really went out of their way to make sure that in every one of their 8 collections, they have all 3. And so what you need to do is talk to your Melrose sales rep and say, okay, I need that. I need faster sales in my store. Maybe you're at the halfway point in your year and you're looking at your numbers and going, oh my gosh, I've got to do something. I need to have some quick sales. I need to have some decent margins on some small items, but the price tag is going to be exactly right for my customer. And that's what the sales reps were telling me yesterday. They've come in now. And so product development folks, you know, they work early, they work behind the scenes, they're working to source some of these products we're bringing in. And then the sales rep comes in to the showroom and they walk around and then they start going, that one, that one, that one. Oh yes, my stores need that one right there. That one's the one with the best price point that's going to move very quickly. And so they're excited about this table, not because of the focal point that you see right there in the middle. They're excited about the 3 grades of economy. They've got the economy level, the mid grade, and the luxury item, and then being able to let their different stores know which ones are going to work for them and at what time.